going on YouTube? It's your boy Skinny. We are out on the harbour and this video is gonna literally take 5 minutes of your time. VW German engineering, and from that sound I'm telling you I can make your car louder for free. Watch this. What happened to my boot? I thought my boot was gone. I thought my fucking boot was gone. So guys, we are at the back of the car. I know you enjoyed the sound of that, and I'm telling you I can make you make it twice as loud for free. Just make sure you stay tuned. Listen, if you like what you see and you would like a t-shirt, feel free to sponsor me. Link will be in the description. It's OAKWGT. It's my own little clothing thing I'm trying out. You know. Sometimes put some money in your own pocket rather than Harvey Nichols, Selfridges and Harrods. The back of the car, first thing I'm gonna get done, I'm gonna clean out the back, empty it a bit, and I'll be back in a minute. So guys, bear with me. We have cleaned out the back of the car. Clean. I've just got a GoPro and my beautiful Gardex, not sponsored by them, sponsored by me own Oak Right Clothing. First thing, step one to make this car louder than it is, we are going to take off the shelf. Had to stop and think there for a second. Right, well, I'm gonna quickly pull these off. Drop that here. And with the Golfs, it fits very neatly and flush in there. Very flush. Typical Golf thing. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold down seats. Bam. Bam. Trust me, it doesn't get any cheaper than this. So you can see in the car feels a bit more open. You can breathe. Of course it's gonna be louder. Now, watch this. Right, guys, with that set, excuse all the mess of this car. Right, listen to this. Let's see. Already, it just feels a lot more open. Like, it just feels open. Like, yeah, like, this is how we driving it every day. Yeah, I think that. Yeah, let's see. So with the windows up, already I can feel the difference. Yo, this is, yo, I already can feel the difference. Yo, look, yo. So I'm gonna give a fake launch. Guys, don't try this at home. Right. Oops. Bruv, this is well louder. Listen to this, guys, look. That is, how can you tell me that is not louder? How can you tell me that is 100? How is that not louder? Oh, the wind's gone in my eye again, but how is that not louder? Listen. That is how you get your Golfer, your Audi S3, your RS3, your RSQ3, any car louder. So you got some breathing space. It's simple. 5 minutes of your time, that's all it takes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Now, if you enjoyed that video and you want to see more, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. There's always more content from this madman coming for you. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate the love and support. Drive safe.